Morena ata marie. There are two words you can say for good morning. Well, actually, there's three. Good morning in sign, good morning in English. And there's two different ways in Māori. Morena or ata marie. I like ata marie, but I use morena because most people know morena. But I like the sound of ata marie. Right, we're going to do this song. Kina, kina. You guys know that one. Kina, kina. What's a kina? Yeah, it's the thing with the pricklies on it, and it's really yummy. Lou likes kinas. Kina, kina. Feke, feke. What's a feke? Yeah, it's an octopus. Feke, feke. What's a tuna? Tuna, tuna. That's an eel. An eel. Yeah. Ika, ika. What's a ika? It's a fish. Fish. Pipi, pipi. You can get little pippies. They're these little shells that you got to dig in the sand for. Pippies, toheroas, cockles, and they all live under the sand and you got to dig. But do you know what? When you go to dig for them in the sand, you look for a little bit of a circle, a little whole circle. Then you dig quick and then you'll find them all underneath there. Pawa, pawa. Yeah, what colour's a pawa? It's not pink. It's black. Yes, pawa and yummy. I love pawa, and they have a really beautiful shell. It's called mother of pearl. It's got pink and green and purple and blue, all these really bright colours. And what it does, it's a big mussel, and it attaches to a rock like this, and it's stuck like there. And when to get it off, you have to put a knife or something in there and then wedge it off, and then it drops away. Kai moana e, all right? I know you guys know this song, so let's see it go. Kina, kina, toru, fa. Kina, kina, feke, feke. Na tuna, ika, ika, pipi, pipi. Pawa, pawa, kai moana e. Hey! Kina, kina, feke, feke. Tuna, tuna, ika, ika. Pipi, pipi. Pawa, pawa, kai moana e. Hey! Alright, are you guys doing the action? What's a kina? Kina is prickly. Feke goes around like this. A tuna, he swims like that. Ika is little fish. Ika, all right. Pipi, oh, actually, it's not like that. What's Ika? Ika, yeah, Ika, pipi, and then a pawa, pawa, pawa. See? Because it's stuck on there. Pawa, pawa, all right. And then kai moana e hu. All right, here we go. Kina, kina, toru, fa. Kina, kina, feke, feke. Tuna, tuna, ika, ika. Pipi, pipi, pawa, pawa. Kai moana e hu. Kina, kina, feke, feke. Tuna, tuna, ika, ika. Pipi, pipi, pawa, pawa. Kai moana e hu. Ka kite anō.